Hello students, I am Sumit Kumar Sengupta. This is Learn Korean in English. Today we will be talking about how to say this thing is delicious and this thing doesn't have a taste. So let's move on to our slides. Today we will be reading about a new verb, math. Math means taste. Okay, and we already know isyoyo means have. Okay, if we write math isyoyo, it means having taste. Okay, to say this thing is tasty, we have to say igo math isyoyo. Okay, so now we will see some important thing here. If you see this line, it is written igo math isyoyo, the correct translation of the word above. Okay, but in the second line, when you see the second line, this T becomes S. Okay, and this isyoyo is written as it is. Isyoyo means to have, but if this math is written alone, then it means taste. But if it is written with isyoyo, then T should become S. Okay, why? Because if it is followed by isyoyo, then the T will become S. If it is written alone, then it is okay to write math. But if written with isyoyo, then it will become mas isyoyo. Okay. See the third line. Ma is pronounced different. This ma from here to here, and this S and this I are pronounced together. Okay, ma si. This S will go with here. Okay, and this SS will be pronounced with O. This SS will be pronounced with this O. Okay, syo, and yo is written as it is. Okay, now see, math means taste. I already told. Math is isyoyo. Okay, isyoyo means has taste. It means this thing has taste. E means this. Go means thing, and math isyoyo means has taste. All right. Okay, so we will move through our next slide. Okay, so we are here. In this it is written cha math opsyoyo. Okay, the correct translation is written over here. Okay, it means cha math opsyoyo. Okay, but seeing the second line, we see that T has become D. Is it okay? Yeah, T has become D, and this opsyoyo becomes it is written as it is in the second line. Okay, but in the third line we see that DEOP is written together, madhap syoyo, and this S comes here, syo, so, and yo, madhap syo, madhap so yo. Okay, math means taste, madhap syoyo means doesn't have taste. Okay, this T, okay, cha doesn't have taste. Madhap syoyo, this T isn't tasty. Okay, I think it must be clear. So this concludes our chapter.
Like a Hellcat.